Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cat Lady. I'm the Debbie and today we're gonna record my second episode. As you might able to see, I have a webcam on and my audio is fixed. And I have a cat. Yay! Let's start the game. Also, my episodes are gonna be a bit shorter this time because, well, let's face it, 1.5 hours is a bit long to watch in one setting. Maybe. I know. But I know.
What are we doing on the roof? Liz.
What are we doing? What are you doing?
What the hell are you doing? And why is
That's
there
no
blood
ketchup.
on your clothes? Liz.
It's quicker than the stairs. And besides, all the doors are locked anyway. This is the only way out of here. The only escape. Let's both jump. It won't hurt, you'll see.
That's not a good idea.
This is a bad idea. Come down and we'll talk.
I've made up my mind. I need to end this suffering now. Besides, I have no one to live for anyway. No one ever listened to me. No one ever cared.
I listened. You're a nice girl. You have your whole life ahead of you.
You listened. Did you really?
Of course
Yes.
I did. You talk a lot, but I've always been a good listener. I liked talking to you.
So do you remember that story then? The one I told you the other night? The one about the woman in A&E?
Yes.
Yeah, she smoked a cigarette and burned in bed.
Okay, you have listened. Maybe you're right. Or maybe it was just a blind guess. But I must jump anyway. I have no choice.
Wait! Please stop and think for a second.
Did you not hear what I said? I have no choice.
Yes, you do! You can choose to come back inside with me, and we'll just forget this like it never happened, okay?
Do you remember that other thing I told you? I'm sure I told you about my flatmates. Did I tell you what one of them does for a living? I bet you don't remember that.
First of all, a blind guess is she just guessed someone smoked a cigarette in the bed and it exploded. That's what I guess all the time when I don't know what I need to say. But well, I played this game more than 5 times, so I know all these answers. She's a stripper. He
She's
thinks
a
she's
stripper.
Yes. Or at least that's what I think she is. You've listened.
Yes.
I just wish other people did.
I'm sure they do. It can't be that bad.
What do you know? Why do you care anyway?
I don't want you to make the same mistake I did.
I thought you of all people knew how it feels when you're trapped and you can't trust anyone.
Look, I'm sure there must be someone who cares about you.
My colleagues don't care, my family don't care, even my fucking boyfriend never cared. He said he needed to go find himself. Did I tell you when he broke up with me?
Yeah. Very
On
romantic.
Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Very romantic.
Valentine's Day. You and I could have been good friends, you know. You really listened to everything I said after all. I'll be back. When you need help, I'll be there, Susan. But right now, it's time for me to let go.
No!
Poor girl. Every single time. Every single time.
After that, I went back. I tried telling people about Liz, but they all thought I was crazy again and didn't believe me.
And you are absolutely sure you saw Liz jump off this building?
You know, it doesn't matter. I just want to finish this and get some fresh air.
Susan, I know Liz well. She wouldn't do something like that. As a matter of fact, I saw her this morning. She's fine. I'd like you to come with me and see her. Say hi. Make sure she's all right.
Stop treating me like I'm crazy. Fine, I'll go. I don't even care that much anyway. The door is locked?
I plan ahead, Susan. I had a feeling in my gut, and my gut's never wrong. I feel like I really got to know you, though. I'm very sorry you've had such a difficult life.
Rodi,
I
Chip.
like your green eyes and your sleek cheekbones. You're a clever girl, Susan, but the sadness has poisoned you for too long. There is no coming back from it. For what it's worth, I would have let you go if it wasn't for Liz.
that's not very healthy. That's not good for your health insurance.
Where am I?
Right now we got a bunch of secrets. Mirror. And a cord. Cut the cord. Put the cord. Oh. And gone is the music. Let's pull again. See what happens. Can we pull again? Can I be annoying? Or can I annoy this game? Probably not. Well, I can be annoying, but not enough, I think. Yeah, just die.
Nasty Dr. X.
Who are you?
I am the Crow, of course. I will get you out of here. Unless Susan wants to stay. I thought so. There are two doors leading out of this place. One of them will simply take Susan back to where she belongs. But behind the other one, there is a great reward for her. It's something she always wanted. Something she longs for every single day.
Where are those doors? I
Shushi.
can't see them.
I bet
Just walk
Shushi
back to the right side of the stage.
or a
I
stick.
feel it to Susan can't miss them.
Sushi or steak. Let's see.
Does Susan like my girls? I knew she would.
What? I know she would.
Whatever they are, tell them to stop staring.
But they are
That's
your
rude.
guides, Susan. They are the guardians of the doors. They know which door she should
Fine.
enter to get the rewards. But there is one problem.
There's always a problem. I'm not even surprised. Which door should I go through?
I will leave that to Susan's own best judgment. But this might be her only chance to find what she had lost. Waste it. And Susan will never get it back. Susan has one
Never.
question. And she can only ask one of them. She must use it wisely.
Fine, I can do that. But what's the catch?
It's very simple. One of my girls always tells the truth, while the other one always lies.
Hey, Muppet.
And I'm guessing you can't tell me which is which?
It's something I've forgotten myself a long time ago, Susan. But does it really matter? One question is all Susan needs to find the right door.
Hey. Why does he sound like he's chewing on nails? It's like worst sound ever. But it's very easy. It doesn't really matter which one I pick. I can just ask a question. I could poke. Well, no, it's too late now. I should have poked. It's always the right answer. Just a poke. Poke. Poke.
Which door would the other doll point me to?
So it's quite simple. The doll who is telling the truth is going to tell the doll that lies would pick, and the doll that lies would lie and would pick the opposite door of the doll who would tell the truth. Yeah, I'm not going right off my words, but I think you understand what I mean. So you actually always need to pick the opposite door, or which to tell. Doesn't matter which one is telling the truth, which one is lying, because it's always the wrong one. Always. And let's pick those beautiful flowers.
Is this supposed to be my reward? Flowers? I hate flowers. You lied to me. You lied.
You lied. Oh, calm down, Susan. They're quite pretty. Can I walk? Nope, I can't walk. Take them.
Did you really think there would be anything precious waiting for you here? Look at the lovely roses. Just like everything else in you. They just turn into ash.
The door. But let's enter the door. Let's just stand here and do nothing. Ah, the candle. Got to blow out this candle, Susan. Okay. Queen of Maggots. Go do what you want. Because it's an offer we can't refuse. Too bad. Well, that one is a corpse anyway, so who's gonna notice any difference? She's bare bones. Although that is the hospital from before. This is actually quite loud in my ears. Yeah. Why that? That sounds like something eating something. I don't want to know, but it sounds horrible. You know what to see, just open it. Open it. And again. Just open it, Susan. Let's get this right done. Over with. Let's do it. Hi, me. Well, hi, different Susan. How are you doing today? So, any words?
You treacherous, dirty bastard. I opened my heart to you, and you stabbed me to death in cold blood. You'll pay for this. I swear you will. But this means the old woman was right. I can't die. I'm immortal. I think it's time to find out how very mortal you are, Doctor.
Is it? Yeah, it's just a suicide note. You put it on the wall. I don't think you're gonna stab yourself to death, so I'm not sure why, but I'm gonna take this bar for the irony. For the irony. Oh, I should have read that. Well, you know what we're gonna do? Walk away. We're just gonna walk away. We got a little gift from this. That means we can just go, 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 go. No reason to hang around. We could murder him, we could kill him, but I'm just gonna try and have the less violent option of the day. There's no good answer in
I
here
can
anyway.
leave now and forever forget about this place and Dr. X. I have my own problems. I'm not cut out to bring murderers to justice. I've got the key. It's clearly been left here for me to find. Was it Liz who did it? If it really was her, it's clear she would have wanted me to leave. If she'd planned a revenge, surely she would have left me a fucking gun instead. On the other hand, this man is a serial killer. He murdered a lot of women. He murdered me. He will carry on killing if I don't put a stop to it. And I'm pretty sure none of those brain-dead idiots upstairs will believe my story. Just like when I told them about Liz on the roof. They'll never take my word over the doctor's. I'm just a fucked up loser to them. But the screaming. He's got someone in there. His next victim. It's probably too late to save her, but what if it isn't? I told the old lady I'm not a killer. Maybe I'm wrong. I've never tasted vengeance before. Not like this. What if it feels good? It's time to decide. Do I stay and fight? Or leave and carry on with my life like all this never happened?
They actually set it up very well, because I still feel guilty, although I know I made the decision before I even started this game not to kill that Dr. X. It's because I want to ignore the Queen of Maggots as much as I can, because I don't know if it's gonna make any difference. I don't think it is, but I've never tried it completely, so today I'm just gonna ignore her. But I feel guilty, I really do.
It's probably too late for that girl anyway. I'm sure he'll get caught soon enough, without me getting involved. I just want to go home already. I'm so tired of all this. So tired.
Then go get some sleep, Susan. Susan. Oh, welcome to chapter 3. The river. What a surprise. A river.
Standing by the river, I wonder, do I need a stone? No. My heart is heavy enough. It will drag me down for sure.
What a lovely apartment. Well maintained. Everything. Yeah. Freshly printed walls. Don't you love him? First of all, I should wash off all the horrible memories of this night. I'm dying for a shower, something to eat, some coffee, a cigarette. I'd love to see my cats too. Let's just pretend for a minute that everything is back to normal. I survived after all. Maybe now I can try and enjoy little things in life? Question mark? Okay. Yeah, I can do this. one step at a time. Yes, one very weird looking step at a time. Like, is she holding a stick? Is she just... What's up with... Nah. What's up with her? So let's go to the bedroom. Could I prevent something? Let me try something. Because I know what she wants, but I also know what I need. So let's open the door. Open the closet. That's not weird at all. Yep, a little ball. That's it, right? Okay. The landing falls off the shell every time I open the door. I should get rid of it. Okay, let's put it in your pocket. Sure, it fits. It's the right size for your pocket anyway. And we also have this purse. And we're gonna search. Search. So she only has £5 left. Damn, I won't get any more money for at least another 2 weeks. But wherever I spend it all. Oh, there's some pack of cigarettes here. You're coming with me, my little poisonous friends.
What's this? Bills,
more.
and more bills.
Every time.
How can I afford to pay these?
You don't.
I wish I'd never got out of that hospital alive.
That's dark. Red girl. Shows Susan mental state. If it goes up, she's getting upset. So let's not get her too upset, please. Please. Pretty please. So now I have some coins, and I'm just gonna try something to see what happens. Because I know what's gonna happen if she takes a shower without any pennies. And I just want to try. So, use. No, that's better. 1-to-1 instead of that. So we're gonna just take a little shower with the curtains closed because we're no creeps. At least I'm not. I don't know about you over there watching this game, but let's pretend we're not creeps. Most of the time. See? Totally fine. Nothing weird about that. At all. Nope.
Standing by the river, I smile. Will I miss it all?
Probably.
No. I'll be glad to leave it behind and never come back.
How would you say that? Well, I do know, but... get comfortable. Sorry. Comfortable, Debbie. I feel much better. Yeah, you look much better with all the blood on your shirt. That's a better look for you. That feels better. Now I need to grab some food. When was last time I ate? I'm starving. Well, probably for the pills, I think. We'll see. No, we're not gonna see. We're just gonna eat. Switch him off like a normal human being. Get to the kitchen like a normal human being. Well, not like her, so... Oh. Fill the kettle with water. That's the easiest way to get hot water. To put water in the kettle. Switch on. And I'm gonna need a mug. And a hamburger. Okay, so there's the cupboard. Let's open it. Matches. Cat food. And that's all we need. Open the fridge. Take out the cheeseburger. Don't drink that milk. That's disgusting. Yes, it's a new word. Look it up. know where I'm going. Take the mug. So it's time to walk the complete opposite direction of what we're expecting. That's always fun. Let's enter it and be a little bit more upset. Just a little bit more. Hey, Muppet. I thought I put it away. Then think, I wish it just disappeared. But there's... Oh, here it is, reminding me of the past. Hey! Oh. Hey. So we're now quite even. It's not good, but I'm actually gonna need this shirt over here. Let's take it and let's move on. Like she should. Oh. Isn't he the cutest? Isn't he the cutest kitty cat? Kitty cat. Yeah. Yes. Lovely. Let's go into the kitchen. I'm pretty sure it's the kitchen. Make some coffee, Susan. That sounds like coffee. So there's Susan. Hey, Chippert! She doesn't drink her coffee black, but she eats microwave burgers. So, what standards are those? I would rather have a good burger and a black coffee than otherwise. But hey, what do I know? I do have 3 cats. I'm not that much of a crazy cat lady. Just a little bit. Yeah, I get distracted by my cats. Sorry. So, just gonna get to the cupboard and use.
Now it's a perfect mug of coffee.
Let's drink it then, shall we? Okay, I need a cigarette first, so let's go to the cigarette place. Oh, the light. Off you go, light. So I'm just gonna get up to the point where she feeds her cat and then she smokes and then
It's
gonna
this
be
damn bird again.
good enough for now.
Go away! Shoo!
Shoo! Why not let the cats chase it away? Oh yeah, there's a hat somewhere over the window. In my bedroom, I think. Where was the hat? There was a hat, but I don't know where. I really do care. How it to be? Oh yeah, sure. By the front door. Where you keep your hat, of course. Or your head, or your hat. Both. Hey, show me off a bit. Isn't the cutest cat ever? Shouldn't be too many things at once, but hey. I can pet my cat and play a game. I'm not for years.
That's right.
Show.
And don't ever come back, you horrible creature. Miss Scarecrow here is going to guard this home from the likes of you.
Yes. Don't you move it. We all know how healthy smoking is, so...
I'm back in my old life. But how can I restore what's been broken for years? So far, nothing seems to go right. Every little thing is against me. Maybe it's my destiny to lose after all. And now those parasites. Like if it wasn't enough. I couldn't kill Dr. X though. What am I going to do when the other parasites come for me? I suppose I'll play it by ear again and do what I think is right at the time. It's getting late. I should summon the cats now. I want to see them tonight.
But first, eat your burger. Use it. Oh wait, it's wrong. Ha! Just kidding. Oh. As you may. Let's pretend I didn't do that. Something.
Standing by the river, I close my eyes. One jump, and I'm there.
Don't.
No. Someone jumped after me. He will never be my friend.
Okay. Oh. Too hasty to get back. Doesn't really matter. I hope. No, I know for sure. So we're just gonna examine the burger in the microwave oven for 60 seconds. Because our microwave is 8 at the same. So we're just gonna pop it in for 60 seconds. Whoop. And we're gonna wait. Not for 60 seconds. I hope. Yes. Dinner's ready. You can eat it straight away. It won't burn your oil. It's magic. So I'm actually gonna end this episode before I call the cats. That seems like a good idea to me. So here we are. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'm pretty sure that it's gone better this time. And I'm gonna keep improving hopefully. So have a nice whatever it is where you are, and bye.